ito bang ginawa niyang pag-atras, no? Kumalas na siya dito sa party ng Pangulo, ng administration party. Ano po ang reaction niyo dyan? Tama ba yung ginawa niyang yan?
Well, when you look at politics, it's always about addition, ano? At ito nga sa ginawa ng ni Senator Amy, I think it's more of subtraction, ano? Kasi kung titingnan natin, when she bolted out of the Alianza, effectively, yung makinarya, no, and the resources of the Alianza is also being withdrawn from her.
Yes.
And then when she sided with the opposition, with the Dutertes, medyo skeptic din naman ang mga pro-Duterte supporters dun sa talagang intention niya as to why she is supporting Duterte. And kumbaga parang lumalabas, too late the hero yung kanyang mga actions, ano, because she could have made earlier pronouncements, especially during the point of the arrest, which did not happen. So kumbaga parang lumalabas sa punto de vista ng mga pro-Duterte supporters is that nung nakita niya na meron talagang negative sentiment yung ating mga kababayan doon sa nangyaring pag-aresto sa Pangulo, biglang pihit siya pupunta sa kampo ng dating Pangulo. And it does not sit well with the Duterte supporters as well, no? Because number one, she is a Marcos, and alam naman natin ngayon na matindi ang hinanakit ng mga pro-Duterte supporters sa mga Marcos, and because she carries the surname, most likely I don't think it will resonate in a shift of Duterte support para sa kanya, even if she spearheaded the Senate inquiry dito nga sa nangyaring pag-aresto. Pero kung titingnan natin, I think maganda rin naman ito, no? Because at least she is now an independent candidate. Mas magkakaroon siya ng flexibility, no, doon sa kanyang kampanya, and hopefully she could still mount a good campaign.
Pero Professor, kasi sabi nila, no, na parang like you mentioned, na parang hindi siya talaga, parang may konting alinlangan, no, yung Duterte camp sa sinseridad ni Senator Amy. Pero sa tingin niyo, bakit rin niya pinili yung oposisyon at hindi yung kapatid niya, no, lalo na yung administrasyon? Isn't blood supposed to be thicker than water? Isn't that also...
Yeah,
Oo, sige po. Go ahead.
Yeah, tama po yun, ano? Pero kung titignan po natin, even in the get-go, simula pa lang, medyo lukewarm naman talaga yung participation ni Senator Amy Marcos dito sa Alianza. And there was even a time that we thought she will not be part of the 12-man roster. So at the same time, nakikita naman natin even before na meron din naman malalim na ugnayan si Senator Amy Marcos with the Dutertes. And this goes way, way back. So siguro maaari nating sabihin, yes, blood is thicker than water, pero sa ganitong usapin kasi, sometimes it's all about political survival. And syempre, iisipin dito ni Senator Amy Marcos what will be good for her, especially her political career. At kaya medyo mas pinipili niya na sumanib doon sa tingin niya na makakapagdala sa kanya ng mas magandang kalalagyan dito sa ating karera sa Mayo 12.
Okay.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.